I am a digital guardian. I'm here to tell you that there is an easier way for you to monitor what happens on your computer when it is in use. Since the planet has been put on lockdown due to COVID-19, your children now partake in a virtual education by using a computer at home. But do you pay attention when these online classes are taking place? The Digital Guardian is designed to take pictures of your computer screen on regular intervals when your computer is in use, and then store them for you in a file predetermined by you. With the help of PCmatic, the Digital Guardian can block unwanted sites that can be a threat to you and your personal information. You have total control of the Digital Guardian, and you can at any time review all online activity in the Digital Guardian app. You can find out exactly what your child is learning in the digital schooling system. The Digital Guardian does not use the camera on your computer. The Digital Guardian takes snapshots of your computer screen. So, when your child is supposed to be taking online schooling, you will know exactly what your child is doing by being able to review your Digital Guardian photo album. Get set up with the Digital Guardian today. Find out how by clicking on the link below.